Okay, so your Roblox is not launching on Windows 10 or Windows 11, etc. Well, I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is to go to your browser and go to status.roblox.com, and you can see that here Roblox is having no issues. So what could we do right now? We could restart our PC so we can close those processes that are interfering with Roblox application. And once you restart your PC and Roblox is still not working, the next step you can do is to go to uninstall a program right here, and you can find Roblox, and you can uninstall Roblox right now and then go to Roblox download, go to the first website that appears, and you can install it again. So if this video was useful and Roblox is running right now, please subscribe, comment, share, and see you in the next easy way video. Goodbye.